What if I told you that studying doesn't have to be stressful or boring anymore? Imagine this: your assignments get done almost on their own, your notes start talking to you, and even distractions can't stop you from acing your exams. Sounds unbelievable? But it's all real. With these 5 AI hacks, you'll not only save time, but also enjoy the whole process of learning like never before. Each tool I am going to show you is directly addressing the main problem you face in your studies. Not just that. Stick around until the end, where I am going to show you a bonus trick which you have never imagined. Let's jump into a game-changing journey. My first recommended tool for you is AI-powered task organizer called Notion. Imagine this: you just keep staring at a to-do list that looks like it might take over your life. Assignments, projects, exams, they're all shouting for your attention. Overwhelmed? Enter Notion. But Notion isn't just another planner. It's your personal academic assistant powered by AI. Here's how it works. Notion organizes your tasks, suggests priorities, and even helps you create a realistic timeline to tackle everything. What about the overdue tasks? Notion helps to nudge it as well. You want to collaborate with friends? You can create shared workspaces. You can even tag and categorize tasks by subject, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Therefore, chaos turns into clarity. And the best part? Notion feels like you have a mentor that whispering in your ear, "Don't worry, dude. You've got this." But what if staying organized isn't your biggest challenge? Maybe you have some other problem. You're staring at a blank page, struggling for a starting point. Actually, we all do. No worries, and that's where second and my favorite tool, ChatGPT, comes. I know many students who complain writing essays can sometimes feel like climbing Mount Everest. Hours of brainstorming, struggling to structure your thoughts, and revising over and over, it's exhausting. But among all the hardest part is where to start it. What if it was already done for you? Meet Mr. ChatGPT, the AI writing buddy you didn't know you needed the most. Imagine typing in your essay topic and within seconds, ChatGPT delivers a structured, well-researched draft. But it doesn't stop there. If you're stuck on how to phrase an idea, ask ChatGPT. Need extra examples? It's got you. You can even ask for different perspectives with amazing critical analysis on the same topic to deepen your arguments. Therefore, you're not just getting a draft, you're getting inspiration and guidance. Of course, the real magic happens when you add your unique insights. So don't copy-paste, build on what ChatGPT gives you and make it your own. So now essays? Conquered. But what about when reading itself feels like a chore? Let's talk about making study interesting. For this I bring you Speechify, my third recommendation. How many of you face this situation? It's 11 p.m., your exam is tomorrow and you can't read another word, your eyes are tired and you feel exhausted. Sound familiar? Solution is Speechify. This tool turns your notes into an audiobook. Think about a best friend, just sitting beside you and reading the text for you. Speechify doesn't just read aloud, it personalizes your experience. If you are listening to a history chapter, it narrates like a story. But how studying biology? It adopts a crisp, technical tone based on the subject. You can even adjust the reading speed to suit your pace, speed it up for revisions or slow it down for detailed concepts. Therefore, you're not just studying, you're immersing yourself in the material. And here's the best part: you can listen while doing other tasks. Fold the laundry, go for a walk, or even just lie down and close your eyes. Suddenly you will feel studying is effortless and productive. But even when you're in the perfect zone, distractions can still steal your attention. What if there was a way to block those distractions out completely? That's where our fourth hack comes in. Cold turkey, the distraction blocker. We've all been there. You open your laptop to study, but 5 minutes later you're deep into Instagram Reels or a random YouTube rabbit hole. Cold turkey is the ultimate medicine for this problem. Cold turkey doesn't play nice, it locks you out of distracting apps and websites entirely. Want to take a 10-minute Instagram break? Too bad, you'll have to wait until your study timer runs out. But here's the twist: you're in control. Set your own rules and schedule breaks. If you want to block specific apps but still need access to your email for study materials, You can customize those settings too. Therefore, you can stay focused without feeling like you're in a digital prison. It's tough love, but it works. And let's not forget, it's not just about blocking distractions but about cultivating better focus over time. Cold Turkey is your accountability partner for building long-term productivity. Isn't it amazing? Okay, so you've blocked distractions and absorbed your material. But what is the guarantee that it can retain in your brain? How do you make that knowledge stick? The answer lies in making your notes unforgettable. But how? By using a visual learning. Studying from plain text can feel like staring at a wall of words. But what if you could transform those words into eye-catching visuals? With my fifth tool, Canva, you can. I am sure most of you already heard Canva and used in the past. But very few of you might know that Canva isn't just for creating Instagram posts, it's a secret weapon for students. Need to memorize the periodic table? Design a colorful infographic. Studying history? Build a timeline with images and dates. Canva's AI even suggests templates tailored to your subject, so you don't waste time starting from scratch. But it doesn't stop there. Canva allows you to create flashcards, mind maps, and even interactive presentations that you can use for group study sessions. Therefore, you're not just studying, you're creating a visual masterpiece that sticks in your memory. Here's a pro tip. Pair Canva with Speechify to make it into audio-visual learning tools. I hope you have enjoyed the video so far. But it's not done yet. As promised, I will give you my bonus hack. Sometimes, the real struggle is simply knowing when to start. You don't know how to put yourself to task? Or juggle between multiple tasks? That's where My Study Life steps in. My Study Life adapts to your schedule, tracks deadlines, and not just that. It's even reschedule tasks if something unexpected comes up. It's like having a personal academic coach guiding your every move. For example, if you miss a study session because you're unwell, My Study Life will automatically adjust your calendar to make room for that subject later. Therefore, you can stay on top of your game without feeling overwhelmed. Friends, all these tools I showed you are not just tools, they're lifesavers for you when you are juggling endless responsibilities. They help you stay organized, simplify tough tasks, and turn studying into something you'll actually look forward to. But remember, even the smartest AI won't work unless you do. Use these tools as your allies and you'll be unstoppable. And here's the challenge. Don't keep these hacks to yourself. Share them with your friends, form study groups, and experiment with how you can combine these tools to create the ultimate academic strategy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.